Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to create financial period in Primavera P6. What is a financial period? Financial period enables you to define your organization global financial period in the financial period dialog box. Customized financial period provide more accurate display and reporting of actual units and cost. Rather than spreading costs evenly throughout the length of the project, users can view how actual costs were incurred by customized financial periods. If your organization always updates the schedule according to the same time interval, that is, by weekly or every month or every quarter, you can quickly create a batch of financial periods. If the schedule may be updated irregularly, you can create a single financial period at any time. When financial period exists, users can store period performance for any defined period. The start and the end dates of the financial period cannot overlap existing financial period dates. You cannot modify the start and end dates of the financial period after you create it. To modify the start and the end dates of the period, you must delete the financial period, then create a new period with the new dates. Now we will see how to create financial period in Primavera P6 version 19.12. For creating a financial period, we will take a simple program with activities A, B, C, D, and E with a duration of 7 days each. To create a financial period, you need to go to the admin menu, then click the financial period. When you open the financial period, you can see a dialog box will open. In this, you can see a list of financial periods which you have already created for other projects, previous projects. To create a financial period, there are two different ways. First is you can create financial period one by adding here, or you can create a batch. If you are having a regular interval for the updation of the program in your project, you can create a batch. Now we will see how to create a single financial period. If your schedule is updated irregularly, so we will create at any point of time, we can create a financial period. So how to create the financial period? Now you can see the schedule. The first activity is starting from 1st January till 7th of January. So for this period, we are going to create a financial period now. So you can add the financial period here. So it will be asking you for a start date and the end date. So you need to specify the start date. So for this period, you are going to create a financial period. So you are going to select the date as per your requirement. Then what is the finish date? You need to add the finish date here. So for this period, your financial period will be created. So after you select the dates, you can add here. So after you add, you can close it here. So you can see here your financial period is created already for the particular period which you have chosen. So you can also rename the period name in the financial period dialog box. So how you can rename is, you can, for your easy reference, you can mark it by your project name, financial period, let's say 1, then you can close. So this is how you are going to create a financial period at any point of time. If you are updating your schedule on a irregular basis, you can create your financial period one by one here. Then we will see how to create a financial period by batch. For example, you can see here in this project, the activity A starts from 1st of January and ends on 4th of February. So for each activity, we will say we will create a financial period for each and every activities A to E. So let's say your program you are going to update on a regular basis on a 7-day basis. So you will create a batch with an interval of 7 days. So how to create? Since you have already created a single financial period here, your dates cannot be overlapped. So you need to delete this. If you want to delete this, you can delete this, or you can continue from the second 8th January. You can continue from the 8th January. First, we will delete this, and I will show you how to create a batch from A to E. So I want to delete. You can delete your financial period. Okay. Now you need to go to the batch. So you need to start. When you need to start the batch. So I want to start the batch on the first. So you can select the batch start date 1st of Jan, and you need to when you need to end the batch. So 4th of Feb. So okay, 4th of February I'm going to end the batch. So financial period. So every week. So I want to create a financial period on every single week. Then period ends on okay Saturday. You can choose your days here. Then you can click batch create. So are you sure you want to create the batch financial period? Yes. So 5 new financial periods were successfully created. You can see. So your batch starts from first. This is the first financial period, 1st to 7th, then 8th to 14, then 15 to 21, 22 to 28, and 29 to 4th of February. So your batch is created. And also you can rename your period name. You can rename your period name by the project name, or as per your convenience you can rename it. So this is how you are going to create a financial period by batch in Primavera P6 version 19. In the upcoming video we will see how to use the financial period to store the period performances, that is the actual units or actual cost in each financial periods.